Namaskar, welcome to Honest Astrologer. And I did a video with Bijal, my client from UK. It went beautifully, and a lot of comments, questions, a lot of love that we received. Abhi, I've decided to take and answer some questions on in a video format. So, काफ़ी लोगों ने इस चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट किया है. One of the viewers said, for me, Shani Mahadasha is like a description of my childhood, being the unliked child, always having to figure things out myself, no guidance, no loving mentor or elder person. So much parallel with Shani Mahadasha and my early life. Go back, check your chart. Were you born in Shani Mahadasha? Did you spend most of your early childhood in Shani Mahadasha? I was born in Shani Mahadasha and I can resonate with it. I had a very tough first 17, 18 years of my life. Yes, Mercury Mahadasha, that was a different game. So I wish you all the best and I hope you have come out of it. इसके बाद में एक साहब कहते हैं कि I remember sir saying in an interview that Shani Mahadasha one is forced to take public transport and traveler's discomfort becomes real. हो सकता है, I don't remember saying that, but this particularly happens. You face difficult travels if Shani is in the 3rd or 9th house. Let me know if that's the issue. Another viewer has written, wow, you pivot from a point of strength. Yes, now this is something I want to elaborate upon. When things are going bad, it's very human to try and, hustle out of it, struggle out of it. You should know when the time is right, only then try to expand or make a major change. If you think luck is not favoring you, if you are facing continuous resistance in something, you might want to step back and wait till the time your mind, body and energy, you feel that energy. At times you feel, I'm feeling very clear, a lot of clarity, a lot of power. That is the time when you start to make those moves. When you feel, okay, I am getting lucky, I'm getting good chances, that is when you make a big move. I always share this example, okay, boss, you make a big move when you're going through a good patch. You never make a move when you're going through a bad patch. It is like when you're on a smooth road, only then you can show some bike stunt. If you try to show some bike stunts on a bad road, you will end up in a hospital. So yes, you should pivot from a point of strength, not a point of weakness. Do not try any radical changes when you're going through a bad time. So yes, that's important. Okay, another one says, you refunded me and did not complete my reading, saying maybe my time of birth was wrong, but I was going through a Shani MD and my Shani is in the 9th. And what you said about Shani influencing 9th house being more Gyan Margi and ritualistic is bang on. Maybe someday I'll understand my own life and I appreciate the honesty of your insights. Yes. So in my consultations for the first 5 minutes, I try and check if the chart is accurate, if I'm able to read it accurately, if I make like 5 to 10 observations, if 80% are right, I go ahead. If less than that, I give a refund and say sorry. Because I do not want my clients to lose money. I'm okay with disappointing them, saying कि साहब ये नहीं देख पाया, instead of saying कि ये astrologers चोर होते हैं. I'm so sick of the bad rep that my business gets. कुछ लोग हैं गलत हैं, अभी भी एक केस आया है, but there are some of us who are trying to do the right thing, so you should learn to discriminate. हर काम में अच्छे और बुरे लोग होते हैं, अच्छे बुरे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, अच्छे बुरे लॉयर्स होते हैं, अच्छे बुरे एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स होते हैं. और हमारे काम में आई थिंक हमारा जो रिवॉर्ड पनिशमेंट है दोनों बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं. Because if a common man does something wrong, 1 or 2 planets go wrong. If an astrologer does something unethical, all 9 planets go wrong on him. I don't want that. I know the consequences and I've seen people suffer. I wouldn't take a panga with that. So running a Jupiter Mahadasha, Saturn Antadasha, I've been told to do a fast on Thursday, but it seems like a struggle. And I just think about food and break it up. This has given me a lot of insights. Thank you. Okay. So if your body does not allow, you need not torture it. Okay. There are many remedies that you can do. The idea is to do good kind of karma. Tapas is not something that everybody can handle. If you are a diabetic, you need not fast. If you have acidity, you need not fast. if you cannot stay hungry, you need not fast. Fasting is not something, I think it has been glorified too much, especially in the age of social media. Every religion suggests fasting. Oh भाई, उस टाइम पे खाना नहीं होता था. The crops would die. Most of the times people wouldn't have enough for 2 times. तो ये था कि साहब ठीक है, लोग व्रत रखेंगे, फिट रहेंगे. But today food is abundant. So but environment ऐसा है, digestive systems weak है, नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो मत कीजिए. You might want to go on fruits or juices, whatever suits you. There was a time when I was young, I would do a Navratri fast on fruits and juices. But उसके एक दो साल बाद मैं बेहोश होने लग गया. So I stopped it. So God does not want you to torture yourself. Nature does not want you to torture yourself. वरना ये दुनिया इतनी खूबसूरत नहीं होती. हम लोग जो है ना कोई नरक जैसी दुनिया में रह रहे होते. बट आज भी आप देखिए, इतने प्यारे मौसम है, पेड़ हैं, दरख्त हैं, परिंदा. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड. नो नीड टू टॉर्चर योरसेल्फ. नहीं हो रहा व्रत, मत कीजिए. You might want to do a chanting, you might want to do some food donation, it's okay. Shani Mahadasha period taught me a lot, not excruciating or hell experience, more destructive phases. Ketu. हाँ, Ketu Mahadasha is far more intense क्योंकि शनि grinds slow. शनि चक्की ऐसे धीरे धीरे धीरे. केतु आता थोड़े ऐसे धाड़ 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 वो सब फोड़ के रख देता. शनि के पास होता 19-20 साल आराम से काम करता. केतु के पास 7 साल होता, उसमें आपके सबसे इंटेंस कर्मों का फल देना होता. तो स्पेशली फर्स्ट हाफ केतु का बहुत जहरीला होता. केतु का फर्स्ट हाफ रहमान डकैत होता, उसकी दी मौत बड़ी कसाईनुमा होती. बट अच्छी बात यह है केतु सेकंड हाफ इतना खराब नहीं होता, और केतु जाते जाते ज़्यादातर लोगों को केतु से थोड़ी मोहब्बत हो जाती. शनि ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी जाते जाते भी आदमी का बाजा बजा के जाता है. व्हेन विद मरकरी यू राइज फ्रॉम द एशेस. सो दोनों में डिफरेंस है. केतु बहुत इंटेंस है, आई वुड एग्री. शनि आपको माया में रखता है, केतु आपको माया से बिल्कुल मुंह घुमा के दूसरे डायरेक्शन में कर देता है. सो दोनों का अपना अपना सिस्टम है, डिपेंड करता है कहाँ बैठा है, कैसे बैठा है. सो यू कैन नॉट पिक एंड चूज वन. शनि बहुत लंबा है केतु का मुकाबले, बट केतु बहुत इंटेंस है. एक क्वेश्चन आया, फॉरगिव मी फॉर आस्किंग दिस, बट यू हैव सेड प्रीवियसली दैट शनि इज हार्शर ऑन men. Yes, I agree. And now you are saying it can never be unjust. Isn't it contradictory? No. Because if you are a male and you have good karma, Shani would be good for you. या उसकी दशा नहीं मिलेगी or something. But if you have karma related to Shani, तो Shani is harsher on men, Rahu is harsher on women. 9th house Shani is a very spiritual placement, and you tend to ask uncomfortable question to people. And I think it's the right way. Shani is the planet of truth. So Shani in the 9th house makes you very philosophical. You ask a lot of questions. You do not go with बल्ले बल्ले जी भगवान जी सब कुछ कर देंगे kind of philosophy. You tend to question things. So it's good that you are questioning, and yes, I have the answer. If you have good karma, only then you can have a Tula or a Vrishab ascendant and a well-placed Shani. कई तुला वृषभ वालों का भी अष्टम शनि होगा, लो जी हो गया काम. So Shani will give you what you deserve, nothing less, nothing more. So if you deserve a Tula Lagna 11th house Shani, great going. Even if you are a man, you will enjoy that. If you have, let's say, a Karka Lagna Ashtam Shani, you're screwed. You could be a man or a woman, but yes, as a gender, different planets react differently. वो उनका flow same होता, but intensity कम या ज़्यादा होती है. So Rahu I've seen is harsher on women, Shani is harsher on men. अब वो आपके जैसे कर्मा है उसके हिसाब से इन दोनों का प्लेसमेंट होता है. A man can have a bad Rahu or a bad Shani. A woman can have a good Rahu or a good Shani, or vice versa. Sir, do Venus Mahadasha experience who has gone through full Mahadasha? A good idea. Venus is very complicated. People think it is going to be all fun and games, balle balle. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Especially Venus is very tricky. अगर किसी के साथ में हुआ Venus में बैंड बजी है तो लिखना कमेंट्स में. Make a video on Mercury Mahadasha. Yes, it has been long time in the making. I'm writing it. पहले मैं लिखूंगा, ब्लॉग पे डालूंगा, then I'll make a video out of it. अभी थोड़ा सा समय लगेगा, maybe a month or so, but we'll release it quickly. कुछ लोगों ने लिखा है that they want to share their experiences. Actually, I do not invite random people to share experiences. Only my clients जिनका चार्ट मैंने देखा हुआ है, they are most welcome to share their experiences. I do not want random people to come out, अब वो सच बोल रहे झूठ बोल रहे, I cannot vouch for them. So मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ just for the sake of interviews मैं एक पूरा किसी को भी बुला लूँ, easy for me, मेरे को तो views मिलेंगे, subscribers मिलेंगे, but I wouldn't be able to authenticate कि ये चीज़ हुई, यही इनका चार्ट है, यही इनके साथ में हुआ. So sorry, as long as you are not my client, I cannot invite you even if I want you to. कुछ लोगों ने अपने पूरे चार्ट के डिटेल्स दिए हैं, सो अगर आप पूरा चार्ट एनालाइज करवाना चाहते हैं, स्क्रीन पर नंबर दिया हुआ है व्हाट्सएप का, प्लीज़ रीच आउट टू अस ऑन अ व्हाट्सएप टेक्स्ट. माय टीम विल हेल्प यू बुक द अपॉइंटमेंट. एक बात और, राहु एमडी से आप क्या सीखते हो? लाइक शनि एमडी मेक्स यू स्ट्रांग, बट राहु एमडी टीचेस यू स्टॉप बीइंग डिल्यूज. जब तक राहु चलता है, पर्टिकुलरली राहु मून तक आदमी फिल्में देखता रहता है. राहु वीनस में जी रोमांटिक फिल्म चल रही है, राहु सन में एक्शन फिल्म चल रही है, राहु मून में हॉरर मूवी चल रही है. राहु मार्स आता तो उसको धक्का लगता कि ये क्या हुआ, मैट्रिक्स से जागता देखता, बट तब तक देर हो जाती है. राहु में अंधेरा और इल्यूजन बहुत आता है. जुपिटर जब वो ज्ञान का प्रकाश देता है तो जिंदगी साफ लगती है. दैट इज वाई राहु टू जुपिटर, इट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ गोइंग फ्रॉम डार्कनेस टू लाइट. So thank you for the lovely questions. और भी बहुत सारे थे, I couldn't take all of them, but thank you so much for sharing your experiences, and I invite my clients, those who wish to share their experiences of the Mahadashas, I would be very happy to interview you. Meet in another video. तब तक के लिए जय शनिदेव.